Hello again, everyone. I'm here with a very exciting Yoseka Stationery unboxing, and I wanted to do it with you all. So I'm going to open this little envelope first because I actually do not know what's in here. So let's open this up and take a look. All right, and this time I am not going to read the letter first. I'm going to read you the letter afterwards. Oh, that's sweet. So they have a new Yoseka, or a couple of new Yoseka stickers. Those are very cute. And it looks like they included a little notebook. This is, I believe, A7 size, so it would probably fit in a micro notebook or a traveler's notebook. I'm going to read this real quick to see. Okay, I will read that afterwards. So let's go ahead and get on to the main event. As per usual, they have beautiful washi tape. This paper is a little bit, yeah, I don't know if that's really gonna save that all that great, but I will keep that nonetheless. Okay, so I originally wasn't gonna get one of these, and then I realized that if they went away before I got one, I would be very sad. So it's obviously from Sailor. Let's go ahead and open that up. And this is a Sailor Mini in the pink color. It is so cute. Okay, so it looks like, and let's see what's under here. We have some ink cartridges, the instructions. There's a little limited warranty notification. Okay, I'm going to put that back in there. And I'm pretty sure that this pen has a fairly simple mechanism because it only takes cartridges. So my plan, I'm not going to test this today because my plan was to learn how to refill cartridges with whatever ink I want. So let's see. I'll put that aside there. So this is really pretty. So I would say that this pink is leaning a little bit lavender. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see. It's really kind of, although I think how it's showing up on my screen at least is pretty accurate. Super cute little guy. And then I don't think, although I could write this way, it would be very hard to. The point is really to post it by twisting the cap onto the back because it has this little area where you can twist the cap on the back, and there you go. This only comes in one nib size, the medium fine, and but it is a 14 karat gold nib. It's the same nib, I believe, that is on the Pro Gear Slim and maybe the 1911, the smaller one, but I'm not sure. So that is super cute. I'm going to see what the note said. I'll put that there. Okay, so it says, "Thank you for your order. We are so happy and excited for you to try your new Sailor Mini fountain pen. Sailor is our favorite fountain pen maker, and the Mini is just the cutest pen I have ever seen. I love mine, and we hope that you'll love yours too. We are including a mini notebook for your mini pen." Okay, so that was, I guess, the clue was the mini notebook, which is very cute. Yes, if you put them together, it's almost like you have a giant pen, like if you didn't have any hands in the image. Right? It would almost be like a giant pen in a tiny notebook, but so like I said, I'm not going to be testing this out today, but I do plan to test it in the future on the channel. I just wanted to spend a little bit of time deciding what I want to put in here. But there are some cartridges, but I have so many Sailor pens where I just put the cartridges in right away that I kind of wanted to customize it. So this little barrel is super, super short, so you cannot use a converter with it. Although there is a rumor that you can hack a Sailor converter to fit in here, but I have yet to see it being done. So I might have to look that up too. But the little, the cartridge fits in here, and then you close that back up. And this actually feels very solid and pretty heavy for such a small pen. I'm actually kind of impressed. It feels more solid than the other Sailor, the small Sailor Pro Gear that I have. Let me see if I can find that. I think it's, unfortunately, it's in kind of an awkward area to get it. But let me lean over real quick and get that out. Sorry about that. So here is the Pro Gear small, the small Pro Gear. And then that is the Pro Gear Mini. So if you were to look at it from this perspective, so it would kind of be the same from here up, and then here it starts looking a little different. Okay, and I'll show you the two nibs compared to each other because they should be the same. And these actually go really well together. So the nibs should be the same. Let's see, that one already still has some ink on it, so that's why that one's a little darker. All right, both medium fine, so it should write very similarly to this one. All right, so that's it for today. I'm just going to close this one up, close this one up. And now I have to figure out what notebook I might want to associate this with. It's so cute. I don't have very many pink pens, and that's kind of why I went for the pink one. And it was kind of hard to tell what the color was from the website. But like I said, from my monitor, the color that's showing up is pretty accurate. Like I said, it leans a little bit lavendery pink, so it's not a true blush pink, I would say. And a lot of the colors in this particular set, so there are several colors that the Mini comes in, and I feel like they're all a little bit more muted, like they're not super pastel-y like this might be, but they still look nice together. All right. All right, that's it for today. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and thanks for watching as usual. Hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.